शिखर पे जाने में, पंछी को उड़ाने में, चींटी को चढ़ने में, महल बनाने में, घर सजाने में, सागर में जाके मोती निकालने में। समय तो लगता है शिखर पे जाने में, कविता बनाने में, अलंकार सजाने में, रस को दिखाने में, छंद सजाने में और एक अच्छा कलाकार बन जाने में। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं भारती रायना आप सभी के सामने आज फिर प्रस्तुत हुई हूँ अपने शो व्हाट वेंट राइट में। आशा करती हूँ आप सभी अपने घर में कुशल मंगल होंगे, अपने परिवार के साथ सुख से होंगे। आज जिस कलाकार से आप सभी को रूबरू कराने जा रही हूँ, उनका फिल्मों से और टीवी की दुनिया से एक बेहद गहरा रिश्ता है। 23 साल से भी ज्यादा फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, अपनी कला का प्रदर्शन करते आए हैं। 1974 में एक प्ले से अपनी जर्नी को स्टार्ट किया उन्होंने, संभोग से संन्यास तक, विच वॉज रिटन बाय पंडित सत्यदेव दुबे जी। और वह सफलता जो है वो दौर आगे ही बढ़ता चला गया। DD1 से स्वाभिमान जैसे प्रोजेक्ट में उन्होंने अपनी जर्नी को स्टार्ट किया। उसके बाद धीरे धीरे वो जर्नी स्टार्ट होते हुए बालाजी टेलीफिल्म्स के साथ किरण खेर जी के साथ जुड़ी। कन्यादान जैसे बहुत ही बहुचर्चित सीरियल में उन्होंने किरण खेर जी के साथ काम किया। 23 साल से वे एंटरटेनमेंट की दुनिया के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। बहुत सारी ब्लॉकबस्टर्स मूवी देते आए हैं, उनमें से दंगल, तलवार, सरकार राज और ऐसी बहुत सारी अनगिनत मूवीज हैं जिसका वो बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा रहे हैं, जिसका वो भाग रहे हैं। बहुत दिल से आज उनका स्वागत करना चाहूंगी, शिशिर शर्मा जी का। स्वागत करती हूं सर मैं आपका अपने शो व्हाट वेंट राइट में। नमस्कार।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया भारती, बहुत ज्यादा लंबा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दे दिया आपने मेरे बारे में। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया उसके।
आप डिजर्व करते हैं सर। एक्चुअली इतने सालों से आप इंडस्ट्री के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं और इतने सालों से लोग आपके काम की प्रशंसा करते आए हैं, तो उसकी तो इससे पहले कि सर मैं शो की शुरुआत करूं, आपका इंट्रोडक्शन तो हो गया, आपको सबसे पहले कंग्रेचुलेट करना चाहूंगी जो आपका नया प्रोजेक्ट है सिटी ऑफ ड्रीम्स के लिए। सर बहुत काफी टाइम से देख रही हूँ, हर एक कलाकार के देख रही हूँ, बहुत अच्छे से सब एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। और अपने दर्शकों को बताना चाहूंगी, डिज्नी हॉटस्टार पे आप देख सकते हैं नागेश कनखूर शी, इफ आई एम नॉट प्रोनाउंसिंग इस नेम इनकरेक्टली, उनका है। और रोहित जी ने इसमें साथ में काम किया है, को रिटन वर्क रोहित जी का है, तो वो इसका देख सकते हैं डिज्नी हॉटस्टार पे। सर आपकी जर्नी जो है, सभी लोग आपकी मूवीज को देखते आए हैं, आपकी टीवी में आपके काम को देखते आए हैं। आज मैं चाहूंगी सर, आई वुड लाइक यू टू जस्ट टर्न बैक द पेजेस ऑफ योर डायरी एंड शेयर योर माइलस्टोन्स विद अस। कैसे रही ये जर्नी एंड व्हाट मेड यू टू रियलाइज दैट यस आई वांट टू बिकम एन एक्टर?
Well, as you rightly said, it goes back many years to the year 1974, which is so etched in my memory कि उसके बिना शायद मैंने कभी एक्टिंग के बारे में सोचा नहीं था भारती। मैंने कभी एक्टिंग की नहीं थी, ना स्कूल में की थी। वेल, स्कूल में ही, उसके पहले तो मैं स्कूल में ही था। 1974 इज अ वेरी वेरी यंग एज। मैं 19 साल का था। कॉलेज में भी मैंने एक प्ले किया था जयदेव हथंगड़ी के साथ, परेश रावल के साथ। परेश रावल एंड मी आर क्लासमेट्स, सो वी डिड एन इंटरकॉलेजिएट प्ले। बस उसके बारे में और उसके बाद मैंने कभी एक्टिंग की तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया, क्योंकि मुझे नहीं लगा था कि मैं एक्टर बन सकता हूँ। 1974 में जब दुबे जी ने मुझसे कहा था कि तुम एक्टिंग करोगे, मैं तुम्हें एक्टर बना के ही छोड़ूंगा, तो ये शब्द जब वो गुजर गए और आज तक वो शब्द मेरे कानों में गूंजते हैं। खैर, वो एक लंबा अरसा था जो गुजर गया, लेकिन कमिंग बैक टू द माइलस्टोन, आई थिंक यस, it helped me a great deal, and I always have advocated this policy, being an actor, that anybody who wants to be grounded, who wants to learn the basics of acting, not the nuances, the basics of acting before you learn the nuances, I think must do at least 5 to 7 years of concentrated theater. मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि प्लीज डू नॉट फ्लर्ट विद एक्टिंग। मैं हमेशा कहता हूं कि एक्टिंग सिखाई नहीं जा सकती, सीखी जरूर जा सकती है। उसमें बहुत फर्क है। लोग समझते नहीं है कि जब आपके अंदर कोई गुण होता है, उसको तराशते हैं। जैसे डायमंड में अगर आपको सही लगता है वो डायमंड, सो यू ब्रिंग इट आउट फ्रॉम द खान. So, in the same manner, if there is something that I find in you that I want to fine tune, I will bring you out of a bunch of 25. एक्टिंग खाने का लड्डू नहीं है। लोग समझते हैं कि ठीक है, मैं अपना बोरिया बिस्तर बांध के बंबई चला जाऊंगा, वहां मुझे एक्टिंग का असाइनमेंट मिल जाएगा। ऐसा नहीं है। बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, बहुत स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है, बहुत सारी ह्यूमिलिएशंस की का सामना करना पड़ता है। So when I started off with acting, I didn't know where I was going. Fortunately for me, my parents were from a theatrical background. My father was from an organization called IPTA Mumbai. My mother acted with Dubeji in 1962. She was also a part of IPTA. And so the cycle started there. The ball started rolling from there on. And I started enjoying it. If you don't enjoy it, and I had no formal training except for Dubeji, there was no formal training, but he was my teacher. But वो टीचिंग एक अलग किस्म की टीचिंग हुआ करती थी। आज की जैसी टीचिंग नहीं होती है। It is that time there was no planned menu as such कि आप आज ये करेंगे, कल वो करेंगे, परसों वो करेंगे, ऐसा नहीं था जैसे आजकल ट्रेनिंग स्कूल्स में होता है कि आपको एक पैसेज दिया जाता है या आपको एक इम्प्रोवाइजेशन दी जाती है, वो आप करते हैं, फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं। पर वहां दुबे जी के साथ ऐसा कुछ नहीं था। इट वॉज मोर प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज देन एक्चुअली थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज. So we used to watch a lot of plays. We used to go and watch Puri Sahib on stage. We watched Nasiruddin Shah on stage. So it was a great learning experience for all of us who actually came out from the Satyadev Dubey stable. हम अपने आप को NSD स्टूडेंट्स कहलाते हैं। NSD वो NSD नहीं जो दिल्ली में NSD है, not the National School of Drama, but this is the National School of Dubai. So it became a part and parcel of our lives. All those who were associated with Dubey ji, right from Puri Sahib to Nasir to Ratna Pathak, Neena Kulkarni, Harish Patel, Akash Khurana, Utkarsh, Sunil Shanbag, जो हमारे बहुत ही अजीज मित्र हैं, जिनके साथ मैंने थिएटर शुरू किया 1973-74 में. So that journey started there. Then the advent of television came. There was no satellite television when we started off in 1994-95. There was only Doordarshan. So for us, it was just that one channel. Swabhiman came my way and I picked it up. The writer of Swabhiman was a very, very dear friend of mine. He's like my family. He's like my younger brother. He said, Shishir, there is one role. It's a negative role. Please go and meet. I said, yeah, it doesn't matter. But it's only 25 episodes. I said, it's perfectly all right. No problem. करते 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 कुछ 525 एपिसोड मैंने कर लिए एज केडी सक्सेना. आज भी लोग मुझे जब कहीं रास्ते पे चलता हूं तो लोग मुझे पहचान के, अरे यू आर केडी सक्सेना, राइट? एंड इट इज 23-24 years back you're talking about. So that journey started. Satellite television came in, worked with Ekta Kapoor in 2 shows. One was Itihas and one was Kanyadan with Kiranji. That was fantastic. That was a great learning experience from Kiranji as well. Then, of course, came a lot of television work, a lot of television shows. And I was lucky to be cast in some of the bigger shows like Kumkum and Yahan Main Ghar Ghar Kheli, and there were a host of other shows that I did. Then, of course, came the advent of films. Ram Gopal Verma was the first one that I acted with in 2008 or 2002. I'm not too sure.
2008, I think. 2008. Satya.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So, I mean, you never know how where this path would take you, and I was not sure whether. But then I started enjoying it. But for me, I had a plan B. I am a businessman too. So
Oh.
in case it didn't work
Mhm.
uh, for me in the film industry, I would definitely go back to business. If I wasn't an actor, I was a businessman. That
Mhm.
was decided. It was a family business which I carried on, and I still do business in spite of my father not being there in this world. But that didn't stop me. My father was very generous in saying that, please, if you like what you're doing, you carry on. मैं संभाल लूंगा जब तक मैं संभाल सकता हूँ. मैं चला जाऊंगा, उसके बाद तुम्हें क्या करना है बिजनेस के साथ वो तुम्हारा निर्णय है. मैं
Mhm.
उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं कह सकता. So I carried on. And then came, of course, commercials and web series. And so, to cut it short, I think I have done everything that was possible for an actor to do. I have done commercials, I have done web series, I have done television, I have done films, I have done short films, and I am also doing voiceovers. So for me, it's a complete range, it's a gambit that I can be very, very proud of.
And simultaneously, you're enjoying it. So whatever you are
I,
doing, you're thoroughly enjoying it.
I am loving the period after Talwar.
Mhm.
Uh, then came, of course, my favorite and a favorite film for most Indian film people was Razi.
Yes.
And then, of course, came Uri and then Chichore. So, Bharti, I'm lucky to have been a part of 5 or 6 iconic films which India will never forget.
Yeah.
Mary Kom, Dangal, Talwar, Razi, Uri, and Chichore. So for me, being a part of these 6 iconic films is a great high. Whether I be recognized as an actor who wins awards and things like that is not my concern at all.
Mhm.
As long as people appreciate what I do, and I do it honestly, I'm very honest to my work. I'm very truthful to my work. So I know exactly where I stand. I'm not concerned with the kind of, I don't want to get into that. But I am so happy. And so is the family. And so are my friends who are close to me and who know what I am capable of. So I am extremely proud of the fact that I am one of those actors who has not been sitting at home, fortunately, for any length of time. Only once in my life, I sat at home for 11 months when I was doing television, Bharti. कोई आने को तैयार नहीं था, कोई छूने को तैयार नहीं था, ना प्रोडक्शन हाउस, ना चैनल, कोई भी नहीं. तो मैं अपने आप से पूछने लगा कि am I good enough? I asked my wife, am I good enough really? Tell me frankly. There is no harm. If you say I'm not good enough, I'm not going to scream and rant and rave. I will have to improve myself. But I guess that was a cycle that comes in everyone's life. You can't be there 24/7. There are other actors who probably are better than you. So, but I felt kind of suffocated at home, sitting for 11 months. But as I said, I had plan B. So my focus was also on the business. But at the back of my mind, I knew that I need to get back to where I belong, which is in front of the camera.
Wow, sir. One thing I would like to ask here, sir. Like usually people say it's difficult to receive something. It's difficult. It's easy to get, sorry, and difficult to sustain. So it's difficult to sustain means कि आपको सब कुछ मिल गया है, आप उसको sustain नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. And अगर हम stardom की बात करें, तो usually लोग बोलते हैं कि stardom को carry कर पाना it's actually difficult. टीवी इंडस्ट्री से एकदम आप सिल्वर स्क्रीन पर आए, उरी, दंगल, सभी बड़ी मूवीज, एज यू जस्ट सेड कि सभी बड़ी मूवीज का पार्ट रहे हैं आप. स्टारडम भी है, बाहर निकलते हैं लोग जानते भी हैं. कभी लगा स्टारडम सर पे चढ़ गया है और कहीं मुझे लगता है कि यस आई एम द बेस्ट?
Well, thank God, I am grounded. And I say this only because I have been disciplined in theater. I
Mhm.
attribute all these qualities that an actor has to to the grounding and the basics that I have got in theater. I am not the egoistic actor. I am very, very approachable. Uh, I do not shy away from any kind of interviews that people might want with me. The only
Mhm.
thing I shy away is it's because it's getting a little kind of repetitive now,
Mhm. Mhm.
because everybody asks the same question
Mhm.
or questions. So it
Mhm.
becomes a little repetitive. So everybody wants to do an interview with me with the same kind of questions, which I feel sorry that I will not or do not want to carry on with some interview. But what struck me most about the interview with you and the conversation with you was your title. I told my wife this morning, I said, I am going to be talking to a lady by the name of Bharti from Delhi. And the title of uh, her talk show is What Went Right. Normally, people would think, what is this kind of a title? But yeah, I think it's got great meaning behind that. I mean, it's very cliche to say what went wrong. Here, I think what went right, and there are lots of people who probably would not, want to say what went right. In many conversations that you may have had, there are people probably who will shy away from giving you the exact reason as to what went right. But as far as I'm concerned, I also want to tell you here that जितना लोग कहते हैं कि इस इंडस्ट्री में स्ट्रगल होती है,
Mhm.
स्ट्रगल मैंने की नहीं फॉर्चुनेटली.
Mhm.
मुझे स्वाभिमान मिल गया. स्वाभिमान के बाद जो भी काम मिला है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ थिएटर की वजह से मिला है. मुझे पता था कि ग्राउंडिंग बहुत जबरदस्त है. आई हैव वर्कड वेरी हार्ड.
Mhm.
I still do theater, but working for 25 long years with a gentleman by the name of Pandit Satyadev Dubey was was a boon, absolute boon. I mean, nobody can ask for more uh, than working with a man of his stature.
Beautiful, sir. Thank you very much for appreciating the title of the show. What went right? Yes, as I told you, it's my brain child. So I also went through so many things, and eventually, when I was just trying to finalize the name, so I thought everyone says that what went wrong, but there is something which actually went right, and that is why we are here. So that is why I kept this name, What Went Right. I truly appreciate it, sir. So now let's come back to the interview, sir. Sir, I really want to understand what motivates you more, fear or desire? Some kind of a fear always makes you like run. Okay, I have to do this. मुझे करना ही करना है. या किसी चीज को पाने की इच्छा शक्ति जो होती है, जो डिजायर होती है, वो हमेशा आपको खड़ा रखती है. नहीं, मुझे करना है. तो आपको फियर खड़ा रखता है या डर खड़ा रखता है? मोटिवेट क्या करता है आपको?
मुझे लगता है दोनों चीजें एक दूसरे के बराबर हैं. अगर आप दोनों को वे करना चाहें तो मुझे लगता है they will really not outweigh each other. Fear, of course, because you don't want any failures in life. You don't want, because you've been given that pedestal in life, you've been given that platform where you have to sustain,
Mhm.
and you have to sustain very uh, you've got to be conscious of the fact that you have to sustain yourself on that pedestal. Somebody has put you there. Somebody has given you that rank of being a celebrity, for example. Although I am a very simple person, but I get a little kind of carried away and swayed by the word celebrity. I have never, and when I tell my children and my wife that I am a celebrity, they say, please do not use that word. So I am a little wary of the fact that in case I have to fail, will I be able to actually sustain that failure? Will I be able to take it in? So that is my fear. That is the biggest fear I think any actor probably will have, to sustain the kind of popularity, the kind of recognition that has been given to him. Desire, yes, surely. I mean, everybody has a desire to do something better in life, something more than what you've already done. You want to go one step ahead. And yes, there is a desire for me to do a particular character, to do a particular role, which I have not yet done, and that probably will propel me to do something better, so that people recognize me as an actor and give me that opportunity to work ahead and offer me a role that is uh, still not in my grasp.
Okay, wow, how wonderfully you have answered, sir. Truly, truly appreciate, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, you have been associated with this industry for such a long period. एक बहुत ही गहरा सा रिश्ता आपका बन चुका है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के साथ में, है ना? लोगों का आपके साथ बहुत गहरा रिश्ता बन चुका है। कलाकार होने के नाते लोग आपको बहुत मतलब दिल से चाहते हैं, आपको अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, और आई थिंक बहुत कम लोग इस तरह का अपनी जगह बना पाते हैं लोगों के मन में। बट इफ गिवन अ चांस, अगर आपको कुछ ऐसा चांस दिया जाता है कि आपको पूछा जाता है कि आपको यू वांट, मतलब एवरीवन इज एम्बिशियस, ठीक है, लेकिन अगर आपको चांस दिया जाता है कि आपको एनलाइटमेंट और एम्बिशन दोनों में से कोई एक चीज चूज करनी है, तो आप क्या चूज करेंगे?
एनलाइटमेंट, एम्बिशन हर इंसान के अंदर एक एम्बिशन होता है जो वो करना चाहता है. This is the goal, this is my ambition. But to enlighten someone, maybe with a performance, you enlighten that person, you want to get closer to that person, the person feels that yes, you are the one who can enlighten my life, or maybe give a talk, maybe give a motivational talk to students of a particular college, or student theater, or students of acting, and enlighten them with the problems, or with the hardships, the hurdles that they might come across in life, because one has gone through life to a certain extent. So I think that is what I would definitely want to do.
Do you believe any philosophy, sir?
No, I don't.
You don't believe. Till now, you don't believe any philosophy.
I am a complete atheist. I don't believe in any philosophy. जो होता है बहुत ही अच्छे के लिए होता है. लोग कहते हैं कि it is because of the Almighty and the divine and so on and so forth. I say yes, maybe you want to believe that, please go ahead and believe that. I'm not against it, but I believe that जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है.
So as you said, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है, और अभी आपने एक बहुत अच्छी बात बोली थी कि आपकी जो ट्रेनिंग एक थिएटर करा सकता है, वो मतलब आपकी जो बेसिक ट्रेनिंग थिएटर से होती है, इट एक्चुअली मेक्स यू अ परफेक्ट आर्टिस्ट, है ना, आपको कलाकार बनने के लिए. सर, आपका जो बेसिक प्लेटफॉर्म रहा था वो थिएटर से था. आपने जब आप कमर्शियल वर्ल्ड में आए, एक डिफरेंट टेक्नोलॉजी थी, बहुत सारी चीजें थी, कभी ऐसा लगा कि अपनी सोच के बिल्कुल विपरीत कुछ करना पड़ रहा है? कहीं कोई रेजिस्टेंस थी कहीं आपके अंदर कि मतलब मैं वहां पे कुछ करता था और आज एक कमर्शियल वर्ल्ड मुझे मेरी जो एक्चुअल मेरा पर्सोना है वो बिल्कुल कहीं चेंज कर रहा है?
जी, टेलीविजन ने कुछ हद तक वो हमसे करवाया, जो हम आदी नहीं थे. थिएटर में जो हम करते हैं, ऑब्वियसली कैमरा एंड थिएटर आर टू डिफरेंट मीडियम्स, यू कैन नॉट कंपेयर देम. बट जो हमारी ग्राउंडिंग थी, जैसे हमारी एक्टिंग के क्लासेस हुआ करते थे, या जो दूबी हमें सिखाते थे, वो जो टेलीविजन में आजकल होता है या होता आ रहा है इतने सालों से, वो मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो गया था. बिकॉज दे वांटेड the larger than life kind of acting. They didn't want the subtleness in the performances. तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत दिक्कत वाली बात हो गई थी, because I was not used to, and I'm not one of those loud actors. I probably like to underplay everything, of course, depending on the character, but mostly, and I think I can say about 90% of the characters that I've played are all those characters that underplay a lot. तो मेरे लिए वो थोड़ी सी दिक्कत वाली बात हो गई थी, खासकर टेलीविजन में. फिल्मों में उतनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं खड़ी हुई, क्योंकि आई थिंक पीपल अंडरस्टूड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एन एक्टर आई वाज, And the moment I started performing in films, they understood that these are the kind of roles that Shishir should do and he should get. But in television, nobody understood, क्योंकि वहाँ television में तो कोई था ही नहीं समझने के लिए, और समझाने के लिए बहुत वक्त चाहिए था. तो हमने सोचा कि छोड़ो, जो वो करना चाहते हैं, जो हमसे करवाना चाहते हैं, वो हम कर लेते हैं, बाकी ऊपर वाला देख लेगा.
तो रेजिस्टेंस जो थी वो थी कहीं ना कहीं, है ना?
जी जी, बिल्कुल थी, बिल्कुल थी. रेजिस्टेंस टेलीविजन में तो बहुत थी. धीरे धीरे वो रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ती गई, क्योंकि इंडियन टेलीविजन में लोग बदलना नहीं चाहते.
एब्सोल्युटली.
वो एक बहुत बड़ी दिक्कत वाली बात हो गई थी, बिकॉज दे वांटेड, they tried and tested methods of doing television, of doing the same repeated, same regressive stories. But because of want of doing anything else, and I was not getting the kind of roles that I wanted in films, I continued doing television. I know television has given me a lot. I'm not denying it. It has given me the recognition, it's given me the fame, it's given me the money, it's given me everything. But I also have a say in doing the kind of work that actors are doing today. स्वाभिमान के बाद जो सैटेलाइट टेलीविजन का एक दौर आया शुरुआत में, जैसे कन्यादान जैसा एक शो था, जब वो शोज आए और बाकी जब कमर्शियलाइजेशन हो गया था टेलीविजन का, उसमें बहुत सारी दिक्कतें आनी शुरू हो गई, क्योंकि वहां किसी के पास टाइम नहीं था, टेलीकास्ट करना था ना, आपको रोल के बारे में आपको कुछ समझाया जाता था, और जब समझाया जाता था तब टाइम नहीं था प्रिपेयर करने के लिए एज एन एक्टर. सो यू हैड टू कम एंड डिलीवर whatever the director asks you to do. There was nothing, there was no input from the actor's side. एक perception होता है एक actor के अंदर, जब अगर आप मुझे स्क्रिप्ट देंगी तो I will go through that script, I will perceive the character in my head, may not be in tune with you, but there is something that I will understand of that particular script and that character. I will formulate a character in my head, then I will come to you and say, Bharti, this is how I would like to play. You say, no, this is how I would like you to play. So there's a compromise somewhere. लेकिन टेलीविजन में उतना वक्त नहीं होता था हमारे पास कि हम डायरेक्टर के साथ डिस्कशन करें. सुबह हमें 9 बजे स्क्रिप्ट दी जाती थी, 9:30 बजे 9:45 तक हमें पहला शॉट लेना पड़ता था. तो वक्त कहाँ था? आधे घंटे में अगर आपको 3 पेजेस याद करने हैं दूसरे एक्टरों के साथ, तो देयर इज नो टाइम. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स आवर हेड्स वर ऑन द चॉपिंग ब्लॉक. अगर चैनल को वो ट्रैक पसंद नहीं आया और पब्लिक को वो ट्रैक नहीं पसंद आया, तो इट इज माई लॉस, बिकॉज आई विल बी आस्क्ड टू लीव, और there won't be any more work for me in that particular show, because the track will change, it will go to some other storyline. तो वो resistance तो बहुत थी.
सर, आप स्टूडियो जाते हैं, एक्टिंग करते हैं, घर वापस आते हैं. अभी अभी आपने बोला कि आप अपने बच्चों को, अपनी फैमिली को कई बार बताते हैं कि आई एम सेलिब्रिटी, राइट? बट दे ऑलवेज टेल यू, ओके, अभी आप यू आर अ फादर, यू आर अ हस्बैंड. ज्यादा किसको एंजॉय करते हैं, है ना? हर इंसान की एक प्रोफेशनल लाइफ होती है, अपने आप को सर्वाइवल के लिए, अपने सर्वाइवल के लिए एवरीवन वर्क्स, है ना? बट जो एक्टर की लाइफ होती है हमेशा, मतलब एज पर माय अंडरस्टैंडिंग, उसकी लाइफ हमेशा बटी हुई होती है, उसके परिवार, उसका प्रोफेशन एंड जो ऑडियंस उसके बारे में सोचती है स्क्रीन पे देखकर. बट मेरे को लगता है कि एक्चुअली वो 3 नहीं, वो 4 चीजें होती हैं. एक ऑडियंस आपके बारे में क्या सोच रही है, आपकी फैमिली आपको लेके क्या सोच रही है, और आपका प्रोफेशन आपसे क्या डिमांड कर रहा है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग, एज अ पर्सन, अगर मैं बोलूं कि शिशिर शर्मा को आपको डिफाइन करना है, अभी तक तो वॉट एवर दे वर आस्क्ड यू टू डू, यू वर डूइंग इट. बट जो शिशिर शर्मा को अच्छा लगता है, वो क्या अच्छा लगता है? मतलब एक्टिंग के अलावा, बीइंग अ हस्बैंड, बीइंग अ फादर, you're doing everything perfectly, लेकिन अपने लिए what do you want to do?
There's one thing I am very aware of when I come back to after a hard day's work, I do not discuss any work at home
Wow.
unless I am so excited that I want to come back home and tell my wife that yes, oh, today was a brilliant day. Today I did
Mhm.
this and today I did that. That is
Mhm.
it. I do not discuss work. In fact, we've made it a rule here at home that we will not discuss work. We will talk about everything else under the sun except my work or her work. And what she does at home, I ask. What I get go through at work, I tell, but nothing more than that. We like to have a more domesticated life than getting into a professional life. I do not
Wow.
want to be that professional actor. I switch
Mhm.
off completely when I sit in my car and come back home. And like to have a drink in the evening with my wife sometimes, sit
Mhm.
and talk generally about the kids. Both the kids are married now, of course.
Mhm.
One is in Bangalore, one is in Dubai.
Mhm.
Both of them have kids, so we are grandparents. I have an 11-year-old girl who stays with me, whose
Mhm.
mother came to us 25 years back, and she's been working with us. She's a Bengali.
Wow.
So
Wow.
we've adopted, unofficially adopted her daughter. So they
Mhm.
stay with us. So
Mhm.
we play carom, we play cards, we play board games, we play whatever she wants us to play. So I feel like being at home and being the husband, being the father, being the grandfather, being whatever, but being Shishir Sharma and not the character that I've played.
Beautiful, sir. Because अपने उस रोल से बाहर आना इट्स समटाइम्स एक्चुअली वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज
It
हम लोग
is.
अब जब कॉर्पोरेट लेवल में भी जब जॉब करते हैं मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी डिस्कस एवरीथिंग विद आवर फैमिली मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी आर डिस्टर्ब्ड एंड डिस्टर्बिंग आवर फैमिली एज वेल बट आई ट्रूली अप्रिशिएट सर मैं ये सुनना चाहती थी कि शिशिर शर्मा जो है वो एक एक्टर एक फादर और एक हस्बैंड के अलावा अपनी आइडेंटिटी को क्या कैसे डिफाइन करते हैं सर
I
बहुत सारी
am a very, I am a very alone kind of a person.
हम्म
मैं अपने आप से बहुत बातें करता हूँ
हम्म
रूम में. I
हम्म
sit and I sometimes write. I sometimes I don't know. I just talk to myself. I just think about. I like to be with me. My me time is very very important for me. So I have sections of the day where I spend some me time with myself. Just the way I'm sitting with you on my desk, I
हम्म
come and sit on my desk. Maybe watch anything. I watch Netflix, for example, but it's completely with me. I have my me time and I want my me time.
Sir, I just want to know one thing. When you joined web series and आपको एकदम से लगा होगा कि huge lava of success is waiting to burst, है ना? एकदम से नया सा कुछ trend आया, Netflix आया, सब कुछ नया सा. How much you are enjoying this?
I love it.
Mm-hmm.
I am absolutely. Yes, you. Sorry, you wanted to continue with your question.
No, no,
Yes.
no, no. I think I was done with that. I just wanted to understand because, as I said, like because it's kind of a huge lava. You know, success is everywhere. Everyone is talking about Netflix. Everyone is talking about all the web series, and you are a
Yes.
part of such a labhi जो भी web series है सभी and successfully you are participating in each and every work. So how much you're enjoying it? Like, because you were a theater artist and then you did work in TV industry and now web series. So how much you
Yes.
are enjoying?
Oh, I am enjoying it thoroughly.
Mm-hmm.
I am loving this whole phase. Thanks to the pandemic, there's a lot of web series that are coming. There are lots of platforms that have come
Mm-hmm.
up. There's a
Mm-hmm.
lot of content that is
Mm-hmm.
being, shown on television. And to top it all, I think there are a hell of a lot of actors and technicians who've been given an opportunity to showcase their talent, whether it be a camera person, whether it be a production person, whether it be a costume designer, whether it be an actor, whether a senior actor or a junior actor or even two-line actor, they're
Mm-hmm.
getting an opportunity to work, which is very, very important because as you know, this pandemic has really created huge holes in everybody's pockets.
Absolutely.
So it becomes a little difficult for people to understand as to how to survive, how to sustain. and in a city like Mumbai, which is not very friendly to the acting fraternity, and especially who come from smaller villages or towns or cities, to come and settle down in a city like Mumbai, it's not very friendly. But the advent of web series, I think, has given a huge opportunity to a hell of a lot of actors. I mean, you see the talent that is there today. Did you even hear of the actors that are being showcased today in on the web series ever before the web series came into the picture? No, I don't think they would have got work even in the films, because there was a certain class that was ruling the film industry. The the shift came with films like Badhai Ho, with films like Razi, Uri, Dangal, Maricom. Those are kind of films actually brought in content. That is where the shift happened. Vishal Bharadwaj made some fantastic films. He made Maqbool, he made Omkara. There were some fantastic films that were made by that generation as well. But when you see the shift has happened, and now you see the kind of films that are being made, the kind of web series that are being made, there's a lot of content. Yes, I do not agree to some uh, content that comes out on television, on the in the web series, but that's my personal opinion. That's got nothing to do with what others may think. But I still feel that there is enough scope with this pandemic. And I don't know, I don't see theaters opening very soon. I don't see film exhibitions happening in theaters very soon, because there is a certain fear in everybody's mind.
Very true.
कि कहीं it takes only one person to infect. कहीं हम ग्रुप में चले गए और कहीं कुछ हो गया, तो बेकार में लेने के देने पड़ जाएंगे. So why do you want to get into a theater? Yes, I know the theaters are losing a hell of a lot of money. Not only the theaters exhibiting films, but also the theaters where plays are happening. Theater workers are being, they have no work. So how do you sustain in a pandemic situation like this? How much can you help? How much can people come forth with the kind of help that is needed?
True.
So you have to bring in all the forces. To bring in all the forces together, everybody has to have a like-minded approach to the entire situation. So I think it is one of the best things that has happened to the Indian viewing general public, that they are getting so much content and so many fantastic actors, such beautiful musicians, such fantastic cameramen. I mean, the directors, everything. I mean, right from the old to the young, you have a complete spectacle of people who want to showcase their talent.
Absolutely. In fact, viewers, they are thoroughly enjoying it. They have a different, everything is so different. Like if you talk about the same love story, everything was so common. So now they
Yes,
are watching something different, which is very, very realistic.
correct,
They
correct.
can associate all the web series to their respective lives. है ना, मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं कहीं हमारी जिंदगी की कोई कहानी चल रही है सामने इस मूवी पर. So the
जी, जी,
association is very, very strong between viewers and the series. Wow,
जी.
very fair. I do like each and every say whatever is they publish, I do watch. So what is your future plans? Web series हो गया, silver screen पे हो गया, something which you still want to do, which is a strong determination कि ये तो मुझे करना ही करना है. बिकॉज हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं कैसे पड़ाव पर है अपनी जिंदगी के, बिकॉज जहाँ पे फाइनली वी हैव टू डिसाइड कि कुछ एक ऐसा रह गया है, वेदर यू वांट टू राइट अ बुक और एनीथिंग व्हिच इज स्टिल पेंडिंग एंड यू स्टिल वांट टू परसीव दैट.
मैं बहुत समय से सोच रहा था, भारती, कि एक्टिंग तो मैंने कर ली, प्रोडक्शन भी कर लिया थिएटर में. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आई वांट टू नाउ डायरेक्ट अ स्मॉल शॉर्ट फिल्म. है कुछ दिमाग में, कहूँगा नहीं, क्योंकि इट्स रियली वेरी वेरी in the initial stages.
Mhm.
सो एक वो है लाइफ में, एक एम्बिशन है. जब आपने एम्बिशन और एनलाइटमेंट की बात की, ये मेरे अंदर एक एम्बिशन है टू डायरेक्ट अ शॉर्ट फिल्म and see whether I am actually cut out for that kind of job or not. तो एक शॉर्ट फिल्म के जरिए ही आप सोच सकते हैं कि आप काबिल हैं कि नहीं हैं. तो I want to try that out, and that is one thing that I have not been able to do. बाकी of course, as I said, and I will always say that I will strive, and I'm striving to be a better actor every time, every day, because I have mentioned this many a times in front of a lot of people. Just yesterday, we had a
Mhm.
session with about 70 students from the Ahmedabad University, from the Theatre Club of Ahmedabad University, where I said that, Nasiruddin Shah had very clearly said and very beautifully said that there is no finality to an actor. But there's a finality to a musician. There's a finality to a painter. There's a finality to a person who does sculpture. Because once you're a painter, you've put your name. Bharti Raina has been put there on that painting. You will never revisit that painting again. You will never want to open your cupboard and see that painting. You will never brush it out. You will not put another brush on that painting. But for an actor, to go and explore the possibility of being better comes only with every project that he does. It
Wow.
You meet so many people, you meet technicians, you meet actors, you meet. There's a completely new environment that you're working in. So it is enlightening to go and work in that kind of an atmosphere. And as Nasir also very rightly said, that you may be the world's best actor.
Mhm.
No problem. You probably are the world's best actor. But if you're not remembered by a film, you are nowhere.
Very true. Very true. Shishi sir, you have had such a nice journey. Like मेरे को कुछ ऐसा जो आपके बारे में जानते नहीं है लोग, जो सिर्फ आप जानते हैं अपने बारे में. Because
मैं
as an actor, we only know you as an actor. कुछ
जी,
ऐसा जो शिशिर शर्मा अपने बारे में बताना चाहे, what went right के प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू व्यूअर्स को बताना चाहे, because unless आप हमें नहीं बताएंगे, we will never come to know about it. So you have to
true,
share it.
true. अ, शुरुआत में तो मैं कहूँगा कि मैं एक बहुत ही सिंपल सा, सीधा साधा सा, साधारण सा इंसान हूँ, जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. And I don't think people really know about this particular aspect is what you're asking me. मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूँगा कि मुझे अरहर की दाल,
अरे
सूखे
वाह.
आलू की सब्जी, 2 रोटी और 2 हरी मिर्च. ये मुझे अगर
हरड़ की
सुबह
दाल,
लंच
2 रोटी और 2 लास्ट में आपने क्या बोला सर?
और 2 हरी मिर्च और
अरे
आलू
वाह.
की, अगर ये मुझे लंच में मिल जाए, डिनर में मिल जाए, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. आई जस्ट लव इट. आलू के पराठे मिल जाए मुझे दही के साथ. आलू ज़रूर होना चाहिए उस खाने में या प्लेट में. तो मेरा जीवन एकदम तृप्त है. And that is what I have told my friends, I have told my family, I have told my children, and I am a foodie. मैं जहाँ भी जाता हूँ, जिस स्टेट में जाता हूँ, उस स्टेट का खाना खाता हूँ, बजाय कि
So are you
मैं
vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
I eat both, but I
Okay.
prefer vegetarian.
Okay.
Whenever I go out or when I'm shooting, I take only vegetarian food from home. When I'm in Bangalore, for example, I do not eat North Indian food. I eat only the food that is prepared in Bangalore or in Karnataka. It is the South Indian food. My wife is a South Indian, but
Oh.
I sincerely and I am very fond of the South Indian culture, the South Indian food, very very much. I studied in South. I studied in a place called Rishi Valley School, which is in Andhra Pradesh, and because of which I am also working in the Telugu film industry. I
Oh.
get Yeah,
आई
I
थिंक
have done.
शायद ये एक एस्पेक्ट हम लोगों को पता ही नहीं चला कि आप तेलुगु फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का भी कभी हिस्सा रहे हैं।
मैं तेलुगु में भी काम कर चुका हूँ, करता
वाओ,
हूँ, करता
वाओ।
रहूंगा, because that is a language that I'm very familiar with. I have no problem. I speak the language when I'm given the lines. I have no problem at all. I have a tutor who comes home, जो of course pandemic के दौरान तो नहीं, लेकिन वो हमारे घर आती थी, मुझे 3 दिन पढ़ाया करती थी, सिखाती थी punctuations, lines, meanings, or to get me ready, and I was on my way to Hyderabad.
Oh wow. I think this is the one new thing which I came to know about you. Wow, wonderful. Sir, if given a chance, कुछ कोई फेवरेट हीरोइन अभी अगर आपको हो कि अगर आपको दोबारा से एक यंग एज पे भेज दिया जाए और एक एक कोई फेवरेट हीरोइन जिसके साथ आपको लगे मुझे आई हैव टू वर्क विद हर, आई डोंट वांट टू मिस द चांस, सो इफ दिस इज द वुमन विच विद whom I want to work, कौन है वो?
I would love to share screen space with Rekha.
Okay. Wow.
She's a wonderful actor. She's a lovely human being. I have met her. She's come because the interior designer was a very, very close friend of hers. So she came home to see the kind of work that she was doing in our house. So yes, I met her. I met her at a party also that was hosted by Amir Khan and Kiran Rao after the success of Dangal. So I was there at that time, and yes, I would love to share screen space. I have shared screen space with Bachchan Saab, with Nasir, with Shushmita Sen, with Aishwarya Rai, with Irfan Khan, with Amir Khan. So I'm really really satisfied. I think I'm blessed.
Yes,
The
indeed.
universe has given me enough uh, to to chew on and food for thought. But yes, this is one lady I would love to work with.
Wow. Indeed, sir. I truly admire you, and I truly admire your work, and I congratulate you, sir. You have had such a beautiful life, sir, and I wish कि अभी बहुत सारा काम हमें देखने को मिले. And शायद मैं तो बहुत छोटी रही होंगी जब से आपको देख रही हूँ, but I'm so happy today, sir, that I'm sharing the screen. I'm talking to you. It's just a kind of dream for me, sir. I truly appreciate it, sir. Truly appreciate it, sir. शिशिर सर, आज का इंटरव्यू भी यहीं खत्म करते हैं और आई विश यू गुड लक एंड लास्ट मैसेज फॉर व्हाट वेंट राइट व्यूअर्स जो आप ह्यूमैनिटी पे देना चाहेंगे, वट एवर यू वांट टू स्पीक अबाउट, किसी भी चीज पे, क्योंकि बीइंग अ एक्टर आपने बहुत सारी चीजें शेयर करी, but we all are going through such a tough time of our lives, everyone, whether it's economical, emotionally, and yeah, we all are suffering a lot. So anything which you want to share, which as a humanity grounds पे कुछ अगर if you want to share something.
मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूंगा कि अगर लोग आपका प्रोग्राम देख रहे हो या जब भी आपका प्रोग्राम देखेंगे लोग, और अगर यूथ आपका प्रोग्राम देखेगा और जो एस्पायरिंग एक्टर्स हैं वो आपका अगर प्रोग्राम देखेंगे, तो मैं सिर्फ इतना कहूंगा कि अगर आप एक्टर बनना चाहते हैं तो शिद्दत से काम कीजिए. डू नॉट फ्लर्ट विद एक्टिंग. Focus, commitment, and discipline. These are the 3 most important ingredients for being an actor. I know pandemic has created a void in many lives. It has taken away many lives. But the pandemic is here to stay. COVID is here to stay. Please think beyond the depressive mood, the depressive feelings, the depressive attitude brought in by the others. Do not fall prey to that. Try and think beyond that. Try and be happy. Talk about various other things other than COVID-19, because COVID-19 is here to stay. जो भी आप काम करेंगे शिद्दत से कीजिए. अगर आपका पैशन है वो पैशन दिखाइए, सिर्फ अपने लिए, अपने फैमिली के लिए. Don't tell the world. You don't need to prove anything to the world. Just go ahead and show your passion to yourself and to your family.
I truly appreciate this, sir. Thank you very much, Shishir sir, and I wish you good luck, and please take care of yourself and your family. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.